Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the cheapest Aliexpress LED light bar. Okay, so this unit was less than 20 euros, and believe it or not, this is a really good product indeed. So in fact, I'm really surprised by the quality. So let's have a look at the unit itself and what comes in the box. Okay, so inside, of course, we can find the unit itself that comes packaged in this sleeve. Okay, let's have a look at the LEDs. So this LED bar is also RGB, okay, on the back, not on the front, and it's sensor touch. Okay, left and right side. One side activates the light, the white light, and the other switches the RGB mode. Okay, it has several RGB modes. These are the metal plates that you need to stick on top of your monitor. So you have two plates. That means that you can move the light bar between setups. So if you have two setups, you can easily move your light bar from one monitor to the other one. So this is the tape to secure the plate, the metal plate that will work with the magnet. Okay, so some paperwork to read about it, instructions. There's not much to know. Okay, so let's have a look at the bar working. Okay, so here with the monitor switched off, just to give you an idea. So you have several type of light. You have white, brighter or less brighter, and you have like yellow light, also brighter or less. So as you can see on the left side, you switch between light mode. Okay, and so this is the RGB. There are also several RGB modes that you can switch just touching on the right side. And so as you can see, this top monitor is tilted to the keyboard, so we cannot see the RGB projected on the wall. So if the monitor was vertically orientated, the RGB would be projected on the wall, and as you can see, it works really well. The only negative point so far is the magnet. It should be stronger, because you see when you touch it, it moves. Okay, so probably you will need to secure the light bar with some tape in order to secure and don't move. Okay, but rather than that, the quality of the light bar is good. The quality of the light is also good. The price is amazing, so less than 20 euros for a RGB LED light bar. It's incredible. Okay, also the review from the other people that purchased this item on AliExpress was 5 stars. Okay, so I will leave the links in the video description, and if you have questions, leave on the comment section. I will try to reply to everybody. Okay, so here with the monitor switched off, we can have a look at the RGB. There is also a model without RGB, so if you are not a fan of RGB, there is one model only lights the keyboard. Okay, so just sends light below, not this part here with RGB, but this is really easy to switch between modes, and I'm really surprised by the quality and the price. Okay, I will be leaving the link in the video description, but so far I'm really surprised, and probably I will purchase another one to the monitor on the left. Okay, and now from below, just to give you an idea, so we can switch between several different light modes. And also they say, so this works with the USB 5 volts of course, and they say it's high safe light. So I don't know who certifies, but that's what they say on Aliexpress. But overall I'm really happy with this product. So the price again is amazing, so less than 19 euros, and it works great. So I don't need the light of my bedroom always on. Okay, so I will save money just by using the light bar, and my setup will look more nice only with the backlight that I have. And just to say that the purple light I have on the wall is being projected from the table. It's a light LED strip. Okay, so here the AliExpress light bar, and there are several models. There are others even cheaper than the one that I purchased. Okay, the one by 18 euros. And also, as I told you, there is one version without RGB that is 16 euros. So don't forget, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, consider to subscribe for more videos, and I catch you on a new one. Bye bye.